Welcome back to RGSecurityTeam. Today I will show how to properly search dark web or use search engine. So let's get started. First, you need to download OnionSearch tool. If you see a download error while downloading, do it the way I'm downloading so it won't show the error. Here you can see that these tools are already installed on my system. This is the help menu for these tools. Output allows you to save the search data to a file. Engine allows you to set which search engine you want to search. Here you can see the list of search engines. Here you can set the engine to your liking. Then name a file to save the search data. Then enter the prompt for what you want to search for double quotes. You may see such error due to net speed. If so, search again. And before searching here, you must turn on your Tor service. Here you can see that the search is complete, and all the search data is saved in the file you provided. I can't open all links in the browser due to YouTube community guidelines. And most importantly, please don't abuse it. If you liked the video, subscribe and stay with us. We will always try to teach something new. If you have any questions, connect with our social media accounts.